What I'd like you to try to do today is to try and order things from 1 to 10 and see how it goes. I'll start you off here by going 1, and I'm going to go next for 2. Where do you go? 2. I'd like you at your desks to try and do 1 through to 10 and see how you do. Right, give it a go. Now hopefully you have something like this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take away one. And I'd like you to try and quickly figure out which one's missing. Alright? So here's your 1 to 10. In a second, one's going to be missing. You have to try and find out which one's missing. Here we go. Right, which one's missing? Did you think it was 5? If you did, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! 5's missing. Let's get it back in there now. I'm going to take another one away now. So watch it now. Here's your 1 through to 10. These are the different numbers for the sizes. I'm going to take one away again. Look really carefully and think which one's missing. Alright, here we go.
I totally get it. Which one is missing?
Did you think 8? If you did, you're right. Good job. That one there is 7. That one there is 9. This one here, 8, was missing. What I'd like you to do now is turn to your partner and do the same thing. What will have to happen is your partner will have to close their eyes while you take one away. Or you have to close your eyes while your partner takes one away. Either way, I'd like you to give it a go with your partner just now. On you go. Now you also have with you a little bag of colored squares like the Numicons you have here on your board. I'd like you to take your Numicon squares from the bag and start to stick them into your jotter in order from 1 to 2 all the way up to 9 and 10. Remember, on your page you have to remember to have your date. Today's date is the 8th, 8.9.14. I'd like you to take that one there. I'd like you to put a ruler line underneath it too, so it stays at the top of your page, nice and neat. Make sure you draw a line. I can't draw a line on this one just now. The date's at the top. Okay, numbers are along the bottom. I'd like you to stick them in now, please. Off you go. Now I'm going to put on my page 1 or 2 of these Numicon shapes. I'd like you to try and find out what would be the next one, or the one that goes in the middle. I might leave a space. You have to find out which one goes in the middle. Right. If you can say it as you see it, great. If you want to have a quick look and then say it, that's fantastic too. Here we go. What's next? Let's do it again. What's next? Let's do it again. What goes in the middle? Let's do it again. What's next? This time I might just do one quick tricky one at the end here. This is for counting less. I want to know what comes before these ones. The last thing I want to happen now is for you to start putting down your page, on your jotter page, the shapes you have here, starting at 1, going to 2, going to 3, and all the rest of them. I'd like them to go down the page like this. In your second bag of shapes, I'd like you to take them out. I'd like you to think, what's more than 1? What's the next number after 1? And stick it in beside there. What's the next number after 2? And stick it in beside there. Oh, I made a mistake. You have to leave a space here, because that's not going to fit. Now it will fit. What's the next one after 3? What's the next one after 4? And put the number beside it over here. That'll be the last task for today's lesson. See how you do. Alright, on you go.